Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your backend issues a set cookie header that marks HTTP only, secure, and a same site policy. Once done, make the first request from React with fetch or Axios using credentials. Include so the browser stores the cookie. You do this because HTTP only cookies are not accessible to JavaScript, which improves security. Make sure your dev environment allows the cookie flags. Otherwise, adjust secure only for localhost testing and confirm the domain/path match. Once the cookie is stored, you continue by including credentials. Include for every subsequent API call so the browser sends the HTTP only cookie automatically. You do not read or write the cookie in React. Instead, rely on server-side session checks or tokens. To protect against cross-site request forgery, implement a CSRF pattern, such as a double submit token or a server-issued header that you fetch then include. This keeps your front end stateless and your auth flow secure. To finish, verify cookies appear in the browser network panel on responses and are sent on requests. Remember, they won't show in document. Cookie. If the cookie is missing, check same site, domain, path, and secure flags and ensure your React requests use credentials. Include. Make sure CORS allows credentials. If authentication fails, respond with clear 401/403 statuses and implement a refresh token flow server-side. Troubleshooting tip. Inspect response headers and CORS allow credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.